Hi everybody, good afternoon, and welcome to this week's Dies Shorts. And it is going to be a quick one because I had a couple people contact me after I showed the strawberry bundle video the other day, and they missed the registration because I did kind of like show it quick, and then it was like, oh, you had to register that day. So what I've done is, because I had to put in another order anyway, so I have extended the sign up for both the strawberry bundle and berry blessings class and my Christmas one till tomorrow. So you have today and tomorrow, so that would be the 19th of June, in case you're watching this, after that day or whatever. So I thought, you know what? If I extended it, I'm just gonna show you all of the projects. I usually don't do that, but I just will this time. And so I have that to go over. And also registration has opened for the fall social, so I have that to go over too. I also want to remind you that today will be the last Facebook Live, because from now on I'm just going to do my lives in YouTube, just because I have less issues with the YouTube, and most people can get to the YouTube before, so just keep that in mind. Now that doesn't mean I won't pop in here periodically, and share something live, but my 4 videos a week, my Mimeograph Monday, my Teach Me Tuesdays, my What You Making Wednesdays, and my Dies Shorts, so they'll all be in my YouTube channel. So if you have a question, just let me know, and hopefully that's okay. Most of the people that I heard from, they were like, that's totally fine, and some were like, I would rather that be the case. So so good. all right, so hi Candy. My sister's out with the kittens. Oh, she did a little video with me yesterday. We zoomed and I got to see the kittens. So she's down to just the 2 boys, and even mums are all gone. Okay, so let's flip that camera. All right, so let's get started. All right, good. All right, so we'll see if I can see comments. So this is another reason why I'm going to the YouTube, because of the comment issue, right? So anyways, and it's it doesn't show me the comments, or sometimes it does, and I have to read my phone, and my phone is way high up, so that's just, you don't need to know all that. But anyways, so all right, so hi Jenny. It is only 2 o'clock here on a Friday, June the 16th, and it is so hot. Oh my gosh, I went out to feed the chickens. Well, I guess we only have 1 chicken and the 3 ducks this morning. I still just call them the Chucks. And it was already like over 100. And I'm like, oh, please. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing I always have to go over is the host code. So this is June's host code. If you need anything, please make sure that you use the host code. If you're ordering under 150 before tax and shipping, if you're ordering more, don't use it, so that you get hostess benefits. If you order 75 before tax and shipping, you will earn this month's incentive, which is the gorgeous chevron weave ribbon. Look at this. It is beautiful. So you will get that in July with your June thank you card. All right. Let's see on my little list. Mimeograph Monday. So like I said, all the videos will be on YouTube from now on my YouTube channel, so make sure you hop over there. But if you ever have a request for Mimeograph Monday, please email that to me at mimeographmonday@stampingwithdye.com, and then that way I don't miss it. My email service has switched over to Outlook, and I am an old dog, and I am having an issue trying to learn that. It is just not that user-friendly. Okay, so I have Over the Border. So the Over the Border registration email went out today, and also I put it on my blog as well. I can't wait to see, well, we'll see each other virtually, right? Through Zoom. So this is the event that Marcy Denning and I hold together. And so you will do it through Zoom. And then there's also a private Facebook group. So if you can't do Zoom, that's not a big deal. You can watch it on Facebook, you know, later. So what it is if you pay an RSVP, if you pay, well, you can let me know today that you want to sign up. But if you pay by July 31st, it's $110. That includes the 3 stamp sets, a whole bunch of other stuff, PDF, you know, the Zoom, you know, there's more things. But if you pay after July 31st, but before August the 14th, you'll pay $115. So you'll save a little bit if you register and pay earlier. So you want to make sure you get on that. I've already had people paying me today, so that is so good, because then it helps us figure out you know, the projects and all that kind of stuff. All right, so that went out. If you aren't on my email list, make sure you holler at me, right? And sign up for that. You can go to right here. This is my blog address, and you can sign up for my email newsletters over there. That's a little different than the Feed Blitz subscription, because that just signs you up to my blog posts, which is still fine. But there's actually another little link that signs you up for my e-newsletters, and then you don't miss anything. So make sure you do that. All right, so let me get to the classes here. All right, so the strawberry bundle. So I know I showed you this before, but like I said, there were some new people that had missed it. Oh, have I said what sets they are? Yes, Jackie. It's Joyful. Oh my gosh, what is it? They're from the stamp sets are from here, the mini catalog. So one is Joyful Life, and then the other is Sweets and Treats, and then we haven't decided on the third one yet because it will be a celebration, and I haven't seen that yet. So those are the 2 that we know of. Okay. Hey Mary. All right. Then all right. So the sweet strawberry bundle, I'm like tongue-tied, and the Berry Blessings class in the mail. So you will get your DSP. It will be cut 6 by 6, so it fits in the package. You have your sweet strawberry and your punch. And I know I've gone over this before, so I apologize if you've seen it before, but I hate when people miss out. All right, and then the Berry Blessing. So this is what you're going to get. Now, if you already have the sweet strawberry bundle, you can switch out these 2. Because then you would use what you have at home, like your bundle at home. You cannot switch out this, okay? You just have to let me know, like, you know, I already have the sweet strawberry bundle, so I want blah, blah, blah instead. All right. So it is $85, and that includes all the projects, the PDF, the private video, priority postage. All right. So like I said, I usually don't show the projects, but so I showed these 2 the other day. So you have this cute little card. I actually demoed this the other day. And then the cute little 3D package with the strawberries. Then this is another one of the cards that you'll be doing. And look at the cute little ladybug. I love that. And then this card was inspired by Amy's story. So you're going to do this one. And then there's the inside. I didn't show you the inside of that one. And then the inside of this one, I demonstrated it during the week. And then the last card, and this one is inspired by Jennifer Cotton, is this one here, and then there's the inside of that one. So these are the 5 projects that you will be doing with the Sweet Treat bundle. So you get all of these pieces, right, all ready to go. So all you have to do is use your own ink, you know, and your own adhesives, but you will have your stamp sets that you're getting, you know, and everything else is all cut for you. And then, of course, the video, so you can follow along and make the projects. So you definitely need to let me know by tomorrow, because I have a limited supply for this class. But I loved these so much. All right. And I thought, you know what? I'm just going to show them all. All right. Then I also have extended the Evergreen Elegance, because the person wanted both classes. And I'm like, okay, I'm just going to extend it for all. If I extend it for one, I need to extend it for all. So again, by tomorrow. And then, so Evergreen Elegance is the stamp set or the bundle. Now this one, you can choose if you want just a stamp set only, because you might already have the punch. So, but you need the punch to finish your project. So just keep that in mind, right? All right. So if you want just a stamp set only, because you have the punch, it's $57, and then that includes, you know, the supplies for the 10 cards, the PDF, the video, priority postage. If you want the bundle, it's $75.50. And then if you are a member of my team, because this class is a regular class in the mail, it wasn't kind of like a special one like the strawberry, they can get just the supplies for $35 because they order their own stamp set and punch. So that's just a little perk that my team has. And then, all right, so here is the card for that. So you will get the supplies to make 10 cards. And then here's the inside of that one with envelopes. Now, if I start to run out of the striped paper, then this paper will just switch with this one. And I might even do half and half. So your card is, your cards won't all be identical. I mean, they kind of will be, but the DSP will just change. And then, you know, we have that magical two-sided paper. So you can actually switch them out even more, right? Because you can switch this around and vice versa. But that is the card for the Christmas class. All right. So I just wanted to make sure that I let you know what was going on for those two classes. But let me scoot down so I can see. But yeah, so hopefully that helps you decide, you know, that yes, I'm so glad that, you know, you extended it, and because they are super, super cute. I mean, I believe. But see, that was a die shorts, right? Just snap. So anyways, but yes, so definitely holler at me, you know, by tomorrow, okay? Because then I can get it all ordered and get the packets all ready to go. And then the packets will go out the week of the 28th. Make sure I'm in the right month. Yes, the week of June 28th. And I can only send to the United States. So, so I know, I apologize, but that's the rules, you know, there's always rules. And that's why Marcy and I do the over the border together. So if you live in Canada, you know, you register with Marcy. And if you live in the United States, you register with me. So at least for those events, you know, but the monthly classes, it's just me, so then it's just the United States. Now that being said, holler at Marcy, because sometimes she does similar class, like she does classes in the month too, right? So make sure you follow Marcy and see what she's up to. She always does some fun things. All right, okay, so if you have any questions, holler at me, okay? And otherwise, I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday. Remember, YouTube channel. And have a good weekend. Try to stay cool. I think it's hot everywhere. Even my sister, you know, in Canada, she said it was pretty warm there. All right, everyone. Have a good weekend. And I think it's Father's Day. Hang on a minute. Is it not? Is it not? It is. Happy Father's Day this weekend, everybody. Whether you're a father, a grandfather, a pretend father, no matter what, right? Happy Father's Day and enjoy yourself. All right. I'll see you later. Bye for now.